If you ride with me, don't gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, 'cause we stay in control in the name of love.
We start from the sides. You choose which side is more comfortable for you to do first. I personally prefer right side. We start with diagonal paths parallel to each other. To get the round shape we want, we direct the strands in the following way. We cut the first strand on the base, or on the point, at 45 degrees. Then we direct the next strand towards the previously cut strand, until the moment when both join exactly in the middle of our paths. From this moment, the previously cut strand becomes our guide, and we will repeat the previously executed procedure, and in this way, we will complete the area on the right side. For the both of us, I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, 'cause we stay in control in the name of love. If you ride with me, don't gotta worry for the both of us. You in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, 'cause we stay in control in the We are going to do the left side area in the same way.
If you ride with me, don't gotta work for the both of us. You in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, 'cause we stay in control in the name of love. For the both of us, I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, 'cause we stay in control in the name of love. If you ride with me, don't gotta worry for the both of us. You in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, 'cause we stay in control in the name of love.
After we have checked and everything is in order, we dry the hair in natural form, with the flat brush or comb, then we proceed to finishing using the scissor over comb technique. After we finish with this technique, we will make the outline.
If you ride with me, I got a word for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. For the both of us, I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. If you ride with me, don't gotta worry for the both of us. You in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. If you ride with me, don't gotta worry for the both of us. You in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. For the both of us, I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. If you ride with me, don't gotta worry for the both of us. You in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. If you ride with me, don't gotta worry for the both of us. You in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. Never see for the both of us. I put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry, no, cause we stay in control in the name of love. If you ride with me, don't gotta worry for the both of us. You in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry, no, cause we stay in control in the name of love.
I'm going crazy, I don't know what I should do. I keep dipping, but you stick to me like glue. Try to listen, but all that keep coming. Try to listen, but all that keep coming. I'm going crazy, I don't know what I should do. I keep dipping, but you stick to me like glue. I try to listen, but all that keep coming. I try to listen, but all that keep coming. I'm going crazy, I don't know what I should do. I keep dipping, but you stick to me like glue. I try to listen, but all that keep coming. I try to listen.
We are going to move to the area above the occipital bone where we selected the triangle. It is your choice if you choose to make a connection between the lower area or a disconnection. This area will be cut in the following way. We cut a vertical strand in the middle of the triangle, and we will cut it at a point at 45 degrees. In order to obtain a directional square shape, it will be as follows. We bring strand 2 to strand 1, and strand 3, we bring it to strand 2, and strand 4 to strand 3. We repeat the process on both sides.
But all that keep coming. I'm going crazy, I don't know what I should do. I keep dipping, but you stick to me like glue. I try to listen, but all that keep coming. I try to listen, but all that keep coming.
If you ride with me, don't gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry, no, cause we stay in control in the name of love.
The next step is to cross-check. The top area where we have selected the rectangle will be similar to what we did earlier.
If you ride with me, don't gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry, no, cause we stay in control in the name of love. If you ride with me, don't gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry, no, 'cause we stay in control in the name of love. If you ride with me, don't gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry, no, 'cause we stay in control in the name of love.
I'm ready to dry my hair. For drying, I use a curl activator from a sew-in professional as a product on wet hair.
Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry, no, 'cause we stay in control in the name.
Because I want a result with a messy look, I choose to use the diffuser from the dryer. And as a final product, I use an ecological fixative without gas from a sew-in professional. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope I managed to make you understand now much better and much more organized how you will cut a short hair. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see what haircut I'm preparing for you in the next video.
Don't gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry, no, 'cause we stay in control in the name of love. If you ride with me, don't gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta